This specific department is the sorting department. This is our final department before packaging to ensure that we have good product going to the automotive customers. We make sure we get the foreign material out and make sure there's no defective product going through. We've seen some growth in certain markets, especially automotive, on specific parts, to where we're almost doubling our production on certain parts. And you know, it all flows through this department, and we really need to increase that output.
The only way that we can stay competitive in the marketplace is to take waste out of our facility. That's why we wanted to partner with IMEC and Kishwaukee College. We had attempted to do lean projects in the past, and they never stuck. They were words. They weren't the truisms that we have learned today to stay with.
When we walk into any manufacturer, we're looking at what the KPIs, whatever their key performance indicators are. We took a couple of the executive folks and went through the Lean 101 or the Lean series out at Kish Community College. From there, we took a team internally and we did some value stream mapping, kind of laying out the area to get some current data as to what's going on. From that, we were able to develop a plan to fix the layout and look at 5S'ing and the changeover time on the equipment.
Once we partnered with Kishwaukee College and IMEC, we had the operators be part of those teams. Those operators, not the supervisors, are the ones that take that process all the way through the plant. We have seen such a tremendous change since we started this process. Our operators are so proud. Once you get an operator to do something like this, that word spreads, and it becomes a daily routine for people to use those tools.
I went and buy a piece of paper and walked around my area and wrote down all the part numbers that I had. And then I had to go in there, look at the computer, and so it'd be kind of like walking around the department every day. And now it's in front of you. I mean, we're going beyond this now. We're beyond the we're in the computer putting down our rates. Every time we run on the same, we run the same part over and over, of course, with different machines. But we're finding, okay, this machine runs it better over here. You know, if I'm running on one, I'm only getting like 3,000 an hour is all I can get out of it. Maybe it's just a bowl, it could be anything. Then I run it down on 3 and I'm getting 5,000 an hour.
When we came here, there was a lot of resistance. A lot of folks really thought that they'd done the work that needed to be done. And when we came here today, I was just really overwhelmed by the folks that came up and were able to say, man, what a tremendous opportunity that was. You know, and they've run with it. They've taken everything we've taught them. They've taken it from this area, they've moved it across the plant. It's just really been a fantastic experience.
Our mission is to get them the top-notch quality, and that's why it's been a natural for us to partner with IMEC when it comes to manufacturing and continuous improvement. And after seeing all that's gone on in here today, it just makes us feel good that we're making a great partnership and we're making a good choice by combining with IMEC and bringing them those resources that our area businesses need. We have long-standing relationships with the businesses in the community. IMEC has great expertise in the area of manufacturing and continuous improvement and moving forward, and we've just got to grab hold of those synergies and make it work for our people.
We saw setup times over there changed as much as 50%, reducing those setup times. In one of the other areas, we have achieved over $18,000 in tool savings because of some of the processes and methods that we have implemented with the IMEC and the Lean initiatives. All of the efficiencies that we are gaining mean more profit for the company, which means more money for all of our employees. With all of the things that we are seeing increased in today's economy, that's the thing that we're going to keep Americans and American jobs for.